It's going to be quicker, handled better. Going to be doing mad skids, so. Alright guys, so today is a day that I've been waiting for since I've owned a Miata. And that, my friends, is to get rid of the factory 1.6 open differential and replace it with a limited slip differential, a Torsen. This thing always gets me. So I ended up picking one up, and we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna clean, not clean it, maybe clean it up. We're gonna get rid of those bushings and put in my solid mounts, because I had those sitting, they've been on my my bench for 2.5 years, maybe, no, longer than that, 3.5 years. Let's get those burnt out, put those in, and kind of prep the car, prep the diff to get pulled out, put this one in, clean it up, paint it. Let's make stuff look pretty, so let's get to it. Boom, one down. That wasn't so bad. So I started out burning them, and you know, you get your middle core, so that comes out of it, and then this is pressed in, so I kind of bent the lip up, and then I just went in from behind and just tried to separate the two pieces, and just kind of like tried to pry that edge a little bit just to deform the cup a little bit, and then took my socket, and it's not quite big enough for the full lip, but you can hit it on, like rest it on the edge, and then use that, work your way around, and pop it out. Clean this up, grease it, and we should be able to, you know, just kind of pop that one in. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Oof. All right, so this method, I did burn this one out a little bit from the start. However, right now I'm just kind of pounding it out, and it seems to be working all right. So I'm spending more time on one side, trying to push out one side, and then it'll give me more play on the other. So I'm going to continue on and see how that works out. Oh, so that worked out actually. So if you can see here, I kind of just focused, where is that? I just kind of focused on hitting in the middle. So bushing's still intact. I did heat it up, but I don't know how much that actually did. So just focused with my socket on one side. I initially went in with this one with the screwdriver and got into the edge, and then pried these corners over, so it's a little bit more of a lip, and then just use that, bash it away. So those are clean. What I did here is just take some sandpaper and get rid of a little lip in there that was kind of caused from the old bearings. You can see it there. So now that that lip's gone, it should just drop right into place. Hand cleaner. All right, let's give this a shot. There we go. Oh, perfect. Oh, baby. So I think it's time we get this diff cleaned up and make it presentable. I'm just gonna scuff it up with some sandpaper. Haven't decided if I'm gonna paint it yet or not. Might just keep it silver as is It's really not in bad shape. This is the kind of only rusty part, but I mean, from the back you don't really see it anyway, so let's just keep at it. Well guys, here's the diff. Got that ready to go. Gonna prep everything, get that ready to toss in the car. Everything's good to go. And then I got some more surprises for you guys. So I actually picked these up when I did my EcoTec swap, but I hadn't put them in yet. So this is gonna happen this year. And then I also have this. So I've got a sport brake update, or sport brake upgrade. So quite a bit bigger rotors and calipers. Got some ARP extended studs, and then the supercharger setup. So whole bin of parts, got more stuff back in the garage. So this is going to be this summer, guys. So we're going to be doing brakes, we're going to be doing suspension arms, we're going to be doing a diff and a supercharger. I've got a new camera setup, and I actually have it with a tripod and a wide angle lens, so you can see me a hell of a lot better. Much better camera setup than I had before. So I'm looking forward to doing all this to the car this year and having this thing dialed in. It's going to be quicker, handle better, going to be doing mad skids. So stay tuned, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching the diff prep. I don't know, hard mount install. You guys can see what's to come. I'm looking forward to it. Hope you guys are too. Peace.